All right, Anthony, done your first race in the XL. What do you think?
Oh, bloody excellent, mate. Sits all over the go-karts. Much funner to drive. And haven't done that much overtaking in my whole life, so yeah, it was neat.
Yeah, so second race you made up about 7 spots. How do you find that? You good?
That was neat. The most I've probably ever passed in a go-kart race itself, about 2. So, yeah, to pick off 6, 7 cars, that was good.
Yeah, and you're the youngest guy on the grid at 15 years old. How's that feel? Pretty good. Take out some of the old timers.
I reckon. So yeah, it's pretty good.
And the car's $1 million. The cars and all, yeah. I'm just looking double checking, but no, the car's $1 million.
Yeah, I haven't touched it, mate.
Yeah. No, you did fantastic out there. We're really proud of you, and I'm really happy for what you did, man. Thank you very much.
Cheers for letting us use the car for the weekend. So.
Anyone else you want to thank for the weekend?
Frank, Triple Asphalt, obviously my mum and dad. Want to be able to talk about those. So, yeah, cheers.
Thank you very much, buddy.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.